জয়েন করছে আস্তে আস্তে।
সবাই জয়েন করছে আস্তে আস্তে।
প্রসূন ঠাকুর, বৈষ্ণবী গুপ্তা।
বৈষ্ণবী জয়েন করেছে। হ্যাঁ, এটা পড়াশোনা না ছেড়ে দেন।
ভালো করে দিবিবাস পড়তে হলো। সবই পড়তে বলো।
হ্যালো স্যার, কেমন আছেন? এখন তো সব লিখতাম, রিকোয়ারমেন্ট অ্যানালিসিস, ডিজাইন, টেস্টিং সব এখন করছি।
আচ্ছা, বাহ, ভালো।
আর পদ্ধতি
এখন অনলাইন সব ক্লাস হচ্ছে।
সকাল 10টা থেকে রাত 10টা। কারণ প্যারালাল তো 10টা বেশি ক্লাস নেওয়া যায় না, না সেগুলো আলাদা আলাদা করতে হয়। প্যারালাল 10টা বেশি সাপোর্ট দিতে পারছে না এখনো।
মানে সব ব্যাচেরই থাকবে তা নয়, হয়তো সেকেন্ড ইয়ারের আজকে 3টে ক্লাস আছে কি 4টে ক্লাস আছে, এরকম ভাবে ম্যানেজ করা হচ্ছে।
পুরো জিএনআইটি ক্লাসগুলো তো সেই একটাই প্ল্যাটফর্মে হচ্ছে, আর ওটা প্যারালাল 10টার বেশি ক্লাস সাপোর্ট দিতে পারে না, তাই সবকটাকে ডিভাইড করতে হচ্ছে 1 ঘন্টায় 10টা করে।
আপনারা জুম ইউজ করছেন?
না,
হোয়াইট বোর্ড।
জুম তো আছে, গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়াতে খুব বারণ করছে ইউজ করতে।
হ্যাঁ, সেটাই। এমনি তো আমাদের এখন ইয়ে এসছে, মাইক্রোসফট টিমস এসছে। মাইক্রোসফট টিমস বেশ ভালো।
গুগল মিট বোধহয় প্রিমিয়ামটা এই কদিনের জন্য ফ্রি করে দেবে, যতদিন এই প্রবলেম থাকছে।
স্টুডেন্টদের সাথে কি মানে ইংলিশে কথা হবে তো?
একদম উইশ, যেরকম
যা
ওরা
ইচ্ছে
যেটা তোর তুই প্রেফার করবি।
আমার কোনোটাতে, আমার তিনটার কোনোটাতে সমস্যা নেই, বাংলা, হিন্দি,
কোনোটাতে সমস্যা নেই জানি, মানে ওরা যেটাতে ইজি ফিল করবে তোর সাথে কথা বলতে।
মানে সবাই বাঙালি কি সেটা জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
সবাই বাঙালি না,
তাহলে ইংলিশ বেটার। আমার তো হিন্দি অনেক ইমপ্রুভ করেছে, আপনাদেরও করেছে হিন্দি ইমপ্রুভ?
আমি খুব ভালো হিন্দি বলি।
আমাদের তো
বলি না।
তুমি তো অনেক জায়গা ঘুরেছো নিশ্চয়ই।
আমাকে তো শিখতেই, আমি এখন মারাঠিও বলতে পারি, শিখেছি।
কিন্তু এদের সাথে মারাঠি বলো না, কেউ বুঝতে পারবে না।
মারাঠি দিয়ে স্টার্ট করিস।
না এরকম করো না, তারপরে আবার ছয় চলে গেল হয়তো, তখন কি হবে?
আমার উপর এইটুকুনি ভরসা আপনি রাখতে পারেন না।
আরে গেল এরা,
সেটাই, কোথায় যে গেল।
স্যার বলছিলেন না কেউ জয়েন করেছে?
3 জন করেছে, কিন্তু
3 জন।
হ্যাঁ দেখো 4 জন মতন আছে।
অর্কুট যদি আছে লিখেছে। এখানে কি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিচ্ছ? রোল নাম্বার 18 লিখেছে মধুরিমা লিখেছে রোল নাম্বার 18।
আরে স্টুডেন্ট তো ওরা এখন তো
all of you join in video mode
ছিল তাই তো?
all of you join in video mode। অর্কজ্যোতি, শিল্পী, বৈষ্ণবী, মধুরিমা all of you join in video mode।
আমার 13 ছিল ম্যাম, 12 ঋষিরাজ।
আর ওই 6 বোধহয় শ্রীতমার ছিল। আমি বোধহয় ওইটা গন্ডগোল করছি।
না 6 ছিল আশিসের।
আশিস এ আশিস কি করছে এখন?
আকাশের ওয়ান, আকাশ
আশিস আকাশের ওয়ান জানি।
তো নিশ্চয় মনে আছে।
এই রাম মুখার্জির কি খবর? রাম মুখার্জিকে মনে আছে?
আশিসের কথা আমি জানি, আলফা আমান ব্যাঙ্গালোর। রাম মুখার্জি মাঝে মাঝে মেসেজ
হ্যাঁ,
করে।
অবশ্যই।
আমাকে অনেকদিন আগে বলছিল যে স্যার একটা কোন একটা ইনস্টিটিউটে চাকরি করব, কোথাও একটা রেফারেন্স দিন।
কোথায় আছে?
কোথাও জয়েন
না,
করে?
এখন ও
কোথাও
সবাইকে
জয়েন
বলে
করেনি, বাড়িতে আছে বনগাঁতে।
আচ্ছা, বাড়িতে আছে।
ওকে পাওয়াই তো মুশকিল। এ কি অর্কজ্যোতি বাইরে?
এই তো
অর্কজ্যোতি বাইরে?
অর্কজ্যোতি আছে, হ্যাঁ বাইরে আছে। কুকুরকে খাওয়াবে গেছে নাকি? কুকুর দেখাচ্ছে কেন?
ভিডিও কলে আপনারা পড়াচ্ছেন কিভাবে? মানে
ভিডিওতে নয়, শুধু স্লাইড আপলোড করে কিংবা ভিডিও শেয়ার করে, স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করে,
হ্যাঁ মানে
অডিওটা যাচ্ছে।
স্ক্রিন, হ্যাঁ
প্রেজেন্টেশন
সবকিছু প্রেজেন্টেশন বানাতে হচ্ছে তারা প্রত্যেকটা জিনিসের।
হুম।
আমাদের
স্টার্ট
ছেলেগুলো
করবো
কোথায়?
নাকি? স্টার্ট করবো?
শুরু করো, দেখো অনেক
কেউ
কিছু
নেই
আছে।
তো বাড়িতে।
So we are starting the session. Actually, I'm very glad to welcome Miss Sampurna Ganguly, Sampurna Mitra, as an alumni of our department, to share her journey from his BTech life to till now. Okay, so we need to hear something from your BTech life, from your till date discarded days. And what I can say that Sampurna is working. Sampurna is working as an associate consultant in Capgemini India, and she has represented team onshore in Sweden in tech lead position as youngest member. And with the faculty of IT, all remember you as a very good student, very obedient student, and as a very disciplined student. So you can start your session. All is yours. Okay, you can start your session. Sampurna, you can start.
Yes. Hello everyone. As ma'am has mentioned, I have completed my BTech from like all of you from JNIT, and in the year of 2016, and I got placed with Capgemini in 2015 September, and started the journey from November 2016. So currently I'm around 3.5 years of experience, and working as an assistant consultant in Capgemini India. And to cover my journey, okay, so I have started with Java. I had a training in Capgemini with Java for 3 months. Then they have this examination. After crossing that, I was placed into a project. In the project, I started with .NET. After working with .NET for around 3-4 months, I was placed into performance testing. We had one project in performance testing, and when it was over, I was given a part of a team that works mainly with database, Microsoft SQL Server. So from January 2017 to till now, and working with Microsoft SQL Server 2016. And one of the peak points in my career, I can mention that I have been to Sweden twice, and that too presenting the team as the technical lead. So it has been a very nice experience, and I have learned a lot in short time. So yes, that is my introduction. So anything if you want to ask in the beginning, you can go for it. Then we can start with the rest of the topics. Yes. Anything from anyone? Okay, so I've got a question from Jyoti Chakraborty that in this pandemic situation, what is the condition of the IT field? As all of you know, that this pandemic has hit hard the US and the UK a lot, and as it started from China, so the Asia Pacific region was hit hard in the beginning, but now they are recovering. And for the UK, the business is as it is. So we are working from home from 22nd, 23rd of March till now. But we will be back, I think, from 20th April or maybe from 3rd May to office, because the government has already approved to work with 25 to 50% of employees in the IT sector. As all of you know, that IT is the main part, one of the main parts is paying for the economy. Our work is as it is because I personally work with the insurance domain, and nothing has changed for us. But yeah, there is a little bit of tension in the hotel or airlines industry because of the cancellation of the bookings. But I don't think any thing to worry, because when they are back, they will be back in business very soon. And we are having in IT, basically we have projects from each and every field, as Capgemini is a service based company, and most of you may be knowing TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, IBM, all the big firms you name, they are mainly service based companies. So for services companies, we are having projects for different domain, and we are working for them. We are providing either the development or the maintenance. So work is as it is, or Jyoti. Any other question if you have? Okay, I have got a couple of questions. Okay, so your question is very much expected, that whether your campusing will be affected or not. What I can say from my end is, as your freshers, you don't need to worry much, because you will be just starting your journey. So companies always look forward, take freshers, train them, and because the freshers are very much important part of the team. I will tell you what happens actually. When someone is joining the company, some companies have this training for 2 months or 3 months, and then they take some interviews, and then they move you to a project. Some other companies, they are directly taking for the projects. What happens is, it doesn't matter how much you know about the uh, how much you know from inside. You have to have the learning ability, you have to have the capacity to understand whatever someone is speaking. You should have a bit of technical knowledge along with the communication skill. If you have everything placed, you don't need to worry much. Okay, say campusing is taking place, it is not as much as expected, but it is taking place. You should have the training within you that motivates you. There are a lot of platforms you may know, like Naukri.com. So you can start uploading your profile in Naukri. You can go for any other websites, and what I will suggest you is you start taking the test, all the tests. Whether you shouldn't go for the paid test in the starting. You should go for the tests which are bit free for the first month or second month. You take your preparation, you do your studies very well, all the subjects that you have, the main important subjects for the placement. Because once you think, okay, you study for 1 week, you take one exam, one online exam, okay, you see that how much progress you have done. If it is like, okay, you are okay to answer 3 questions within the 10 questions, don't go for searching, don't go for Google search, don't go for any searching. You do the answers on your own. Once you can answer 2 questions out of 10 in the one go, okay, next go you prepare more, you go for 4 questions. Like that you improve yourself. Once you see, okay, I'm good, I can do at least 8 to 9 questions within 10 questions, you should go for a known or paid test. You test yourself how much you can do. It can be apti. So as you are aware, I think sir, ma'am have already told you, or maybe they will be telling you, the first round will be the apti round. Once you are good with the apti, you should have the technical knowledge, basic of database, basic of programming. You should know one language. You should be good with, preferably if you are good with Java, it is good for the industry. If you are good with C++ or C, that is also good. Basically what you should have is the logic sense. What we learn in data structure algorithm is the logic sense building. That is very important if you are hoping to work in IT. Build your logic sense. Whenever you get some problem, write an algorithm. Maybe you are writing, startingly you should write in English. After that you go for a language, you learn the syntax, because what they check you is, even till now, if I appear for any interview or anything, what they check is readily I can implement the logic or not. If I'm able to understand the logic, okay, then they will go for the next question. If I'm not okay with the logic, I'm okay. The very common thing, Fibonacci series or any pattern matching. If I'm not able to do these things, how will I go for the better things, the bigger picture? I cannot do that, right? So go for that. Don't. This is only April. As per my knowledge, for us, it started from August. For you also, it will start in August or September. So don't think from April that whether we will get placed, we will have companies in August and September or not. Start the preparation from now. Have the basic knowledge from the subjects. Have the basic knowledge from the aptitude. If you are good with the campusing from the college, okay, good for you. If you are not, then you should have the option, because if you are having the knowledge, if you are not having the knowledge, you will not have the option. You cannot study in the month of September if you are having, say, TCS or Capgemini or Infosys coming in October. It is not at all possible. You have to start from now. April, May, June, very much important month. From July onwards, you will be having the test, and August it will start. Okay, so I think I have answered your question. It will not be cancelled, because we have not received any notification from the company that okay, we are not hiring freshers from this year, or we are not having any campusing from this year. We have not received any notification, and till today I have received many updates from Naukri that these companies are hiring, these companies are hiring. If they can go for the experienced people, they should obviously go for the freshers, because that there is much more salary difference. So it is obviously good for them to have freshers and then train them, because freshers have this learning thing in them. They will learn, they will understand, okay, because they look up to that. Okay, so don't worry, you have to concentrate in studying now. I think I have answered you, Shilpi, and also Arkochoti. Okay.
Can I ask another question?
Yeah, sure.
So, as you told, in the campus, there are a lot of subjects from they ask questions. So, what are the main subjects? Which are the subjects that I should focus? To answering those questions. What are the main subjects? There is lots of language like C, C++, Java, Python, and as you told that Java is the most preferable subject that are question from that particular subject. So if I am very much, very much comfortable with the C language, will it affect within my capacity?
Yes, you do not have to be very good with language. What you should have is the basic logic sense and the basic syntax. If you are okay with C, if you think you are comfortable in C, you should go with C. But what happens is, I'll tell you, till now in 3 or 4 years, 3 or 3.5 years, I didn't hear anyone that they are working in industry with C. So if you are good in C, I will suggest you that keep it up, have this, but learn the basic syntax of either C sharp, means .NET, or in Java, a basic, not like you have to write a big code or something. I think we are having the subject, right, in our IT curriculum. So you better have basic syntax. Like in C, we write studio.h, phono.h, like that we start, right? So in Java, how to create an object, what is the concept of object-oriented language, that you should have the knowledge. And to come to you, the point about the subjects, as I mentioned, you should have the database knowledge, minimum database knowledge, because database is the database is the thing, database is the subject that each and every project should have. So there are three parts. One is the front end, as you can see. So front end, you should have the design part, the HTML, the CSS, and then it comes the all the modern things, HTML5. Then then next you should have the coding part. So whether you can choose anything, Java, .NET, Python, anything coding. Next comes the backend or the database. So if you are not having the database, where will you store your data? So very basic thing you should go. And the third thing is as I mentioned, the logic building is important. So I think you should have the knowledge of data structure a bit good. So I think these subjects are good to go with. And if you want to add anything, like very much comfortable with OS or operating system or any other thing, then you can go for that. But and one more thing is the SDLC model that you study. That is the main thing of a IT industry. So you should have the phases in your mind, like the requirement analysis. Then comes the design part. Then we go for the coding. Then we should have the testing. Once all things are done, then we go for the maintenance, because maximum service-based companies, they are having the maintenance and support role. So you should have the basic idea. Okay. I did not ask your name. Who asked me the question? Did I answer you? Or if you have anything else, you can ask me.
His name is Arpit Jyoti.
Okay. Okay, Arpit Jyoti. I think
Hello.
yes.
What are the questions are asked in the HR interview? You know, there is a round that is called the HR interview or the personal interview. What type of questions that are asked in this interview?
Okay, so HR means the human resource people. So they are interested, the technical people, they are interested in your knowledge, what all things do you know, and the HR people, they are interested in you as a person. The basic question they will ask for sure is whether you are okay to travel pan India, means all over the India. You can be posted anywhere. So you have to be good with that. Means you should have the mentality that okay, wherever I am placed, whether it is Chennai, it is Hyderabad, it is Mumbai, it is Delhi, anywhere, because we are having, all the companies are having these companies are having their branches in all the main cities, also in the tier 2 cities like Nagpur, so Bhubaneswar. So if you're like, no, I cannot leave Kolkata, I cannot leave Bengal, I cannot leave my place, it will not be good. So always answer, yeah, I'm okay to go out, and I'm okay with all the cultures, I do not have any community issues. Be open minded. And next thing they will ask, I think for the freshers they do not ask for a salary, because that is something fixed whenever they are coming for the campus. Also they will ask about the person, like what all things you like to do, where do you see yourself after 4 or 5 years. So these are basic questions they will ask. And they can, if you are like very much good in something, that you can focus, like there are many aspects and there are many divisions in a company, like the cultural committee, all these things. So if you are like extraordinarily good in singing, you have done something courses, then you can mention that will be an added opportunity for you. And one more thing I would like you to suggest, because I have come across very recently through all this, as we are having the work from home. So our managers and everyone are suggesting us to do some basic or do some upskilling and some certifications. So if you are, some of you are good in coding, or good in some thing, like you are very good in Java, you're very good in C, you're very good in maybe OS, so you should go for a certification. Okay, so there are many certifications available from Microsoft. Mm, some are costly, but there are some which are having the minimal cost. And also what happens, if you are having the certification, there is some kind of project hiring going on, you will be given the priority. And you can show your certification. Sometimes those all the money related to the certification also refunded to the candidate when they join the company, if you show your certification, and that should be valid. So you can focus. See, learning is important. Whatever you are learning, that is important. What you should maintain is, you should maintain a routine. What you are learning today, what is your focus for tomorrow. Once you are completing a week, you should go for a test. Tests are very important. Until you give any test, you will not even understand whether you are learned or not. You are like, okay, I know these things, I know a lot, maybe I have the basic knowledge, but until you give a test, you will not understand. Various tests available, you can go for them, and discuss within yourself. Okay, say two people are there, two friends are there. So suppose you are studying OS today, and she is studying data structure today. So once you complete your OS, you get 5 basic questions from data structure. You can search on internet, you will get. And the other person will search some questions from OS. So once both of you are done studying, you can have a call. You can ask 5 questions to her. She can ask 5 questions to you. Okay. Then, and also you should have obviously the answers readily available with you. Once you guys discuss, then you can come to know that how much you have learned. Okay. And that competitive thing, that is, we call it is as healthy competition. That is very good for you. Okay. when you are a student, when you are in this third year phase, it's very good for you. So go for that. Okay. And also you will having the semesters, do the semester studies for sure. But for campusing, keep a separate time zone, say 3 hours a day, 2 hours a day. That is very, very helpful for you. And keep Saturday or Sunday as your test day. You will give test on Saturday or Sunday. I can assure you that if you follow this, you will be having very good results. Because for me, I personally bought some book um, uh, and other things I studied from the online or the materials, and then it was good. It was good for me. I did not have um, very, you can say, stress journey for the campusing, but yeah, when I was in the uh, when I was placed for Capgemini and I had this training, uh, I learned a lot. So you if you are looking forward to join IT, you should have the basic knowledge in programming, and you should have the interest. So when I learned Java, I learned a lot because those things were very new. I can say you some of the topics. You can study first, then you can come back to me. I can tell you more topics. You can study on them. I can give you, maybe we can give you the more questions. So like that you can go on. But yeah, learning is important. So I think Orko Jyoti, HR questions. So basic about yourself, your hobbies, your interests, whether you are okay to work, and also okay to work in night shifts, and you can be placed there. So keep a yes for all the questions. I will say that will help you to move forward, and also create the mentality that I'm good to go with everything. I have no issues with anything. As far as learning is concerned, if learning is continuous, you should not have problem. Okay. Any other question or anything?
A couple of
Or
weeks
maybe
ago, was hired by a company named GetMyUni, that is getmyuni.com, and there I got a there I joined as an enrollment expert. So in the interview process, when I will show them that I got a internship certificate from the GetMyUni as a enrollment expert, will it help me to get this job? There is a different kind of field that they are looking for a software engineer, and I am doing myself as a marketing management. So it will help to get this job.
okay. So you are saying that you are working for something else, and the company that has come your campusing is looking for something else. Whether your experience will matter or not. Am I correct?
Yes.
Obviously it will help you because as you're in the starting phase, as you're a student, so very less people will have this experience with themselves, the internship details with themselves. Many can have a training maybe in .NET or Java, 2 weeks course, 3 weeks course, this they can have, but uh, live experience very less people will have. So you will always have this as a good point. Okay. And for now, the main position is not important. It is important that you have worked, you have the culture knowledge, and you know how the work goes on. That is more of the important thing. So it will be added advantage for you. No issues for that, whether you are being hired for software engineer or marketing expert. And also, if you look forward for studies, many of you may be having aspirations for CAT or NMAT, or maybe I know that for this pandemic, the abroad thing has that studying from Canada, studying from out of India has become a taboo that everyone is afraid now. But as I believe that it will be gone in some time, maybe 6 months or a year down the line, it will go away. So if you look forward for IELTS and TOEFL, this kind of exams. For that also you should start studying from now on. And as Orkojyoti have said, if you are going for an MBA or a MS after engineering, this experience will matter a lot. It will be very good for you if you directly go for studying after your engineering. So it is always a good point. Nothing to worry
If you
about.
want to
Sorry.
Anyone else? Shubhadeep, Somadeep, Devangshi, anyone want to ask anything? Vaishnavi? If you want to ask something, you can ask. If you want to know, you can ask.
You can ask any question in any language, no problem. Just go, just shoot your question.
মধুরিমা কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করার আছে? মধুরিমা? মধুরিমা? সৌমদীপ?
Okay, so I've got a couple of thank yous from Shilpi and Orkojyoti. You're most welcome. You can ask any other questions, or I would love to hear from the other people also who have joined, other than Orkojyoti and Shilpi maybe. That will be good for me, that at least you're listening to me and understanding my points. Or if you're not asking questions or telling anything, I'll be in a think that okay, they have not understand, or they may not have liked the thing. I'll be under this impression.
তোমাদের যদি কিছু কোশ্চেন থাকে তোমরা জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো। তোমরা যেরকম বলছিলে যে এরকম সিচুয়েশনে আমাদের কি হবে ক্যাম্পাসিং এ, তোমাদের যদি কোনো রকম কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে তোমরা জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো দিদিকে।
I can see the participants list. Devangshi Sarkar, Madhurima Pan, Shiny Ghosh, Somadip Nandi, Shubhadeep Pal, and Vaishnavi Gupta. So I have heard from Orkojyoti and Shilpi only. The rest 6 people.
Madhurima be in video mode, please. Madhurima, Shiny,
ma'am, I'm
please be in
having
video.
network issues.
Oh, Madhurima having network issues. Yes. Shubhadeep?
So they have.
Somadip? Somadip, where are you? Somadip?
স্টুডেন্টস দেখো, এই দিদি কিন্তু তোমাদের সব থেকে বেশি হেল্প করতে পারবে। এই যে তোমাদের মনে এত ভয়, বা তোমরা সবে থার্ড ইয়ার থেকে
বলছো বারবার,
দেখো অর্কজ্যোতি যে কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো করলো সেগুলো সবার জন্য দরকার। আর সেটা না ওই দিদি তোমাদের ভালো গাইড করতে পারবে, কারণ ও এখন সেটা ফেস করছে, তাই না? সেই জন্যই, আদারওয়াইজ দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার মানে যে আমরা তোমাকে বারবার রিকোয়েস্ট করছি এই জন্যই করছি, যাতে তোমাদেরই সেটা ভালো হবে, তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে। এই যে তোমাদের এত কিছু হয়, জানো কোর্সের সাথে আমরা এনপিটিএল কোর্স গুলোও করাচ্ছি। এই যে তুমি সার্টিফিকেশন করার কথা বললে না, তো এনপিটিএল এর ওদের কিন্তু খুব ভালো কোর্স হয়। অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম মানে যে নরমাল যে সাবজেক্ট গুলো ওরা পড়ে, তার সাথে ওরা অনেক কিছু শিখছে, এখন কোর্স গুলো করছে।
প্লাস স্মার্ট পারফেক্টাইজ বলে একটা কোম্পানি ওদের এমসিকিউ টেস্ট নেয় ফর ক্যাম্পাসিং।
হ্যাঁ জানো, মানে ওদের এখন এইভাবে করা
ওদের অনেক কিছু হয়, কিন্তু তোমরা কোথায়? শায়নি be in video mode, please. Shayani, please be in video.
Okay. I think, ma'am, I think today there are 7 people, 7 people are joined. They can inform others. If you're good with me, then I can come up with, you can say 10 questions, 15 questions. I can ask you people, and then
Ma'am,
yes, please.
Yes, you are having
ma'am,
one.
I have a question that if someone is not good in front end, so how they should prepare for the back end?
Okay, so front end means you're saying that you're not good in coding. You don't like coding, like that, something.
No, I like coding, but my means I have some problem that I don't know that Bootstrap or JavaScript, but I know HTML or CSS. Means I know basic,
Okay.
so that's why.
So as a fresher, you do not need to know jQuery, JavaScript, or Bootstrap. That comes on a very later stage. People with my experience or maybe a 2.5 years experience can get walked through for these things. And also, what is your good name?
Ma'am, Shubhadeep Paul.
Shubhadeep. What is important is you should have the basic knowledge. So if you have, they can tell you that, okay, I want to print something on screen with header. Basic knowledge of CSS, not HTML is good, and don't be specific. Like for you, they will not ask for front end, back end differently. They can go. They will go for the logic. Once you can write the logic. So let me tell you, like, okay, I have 5 numbers, and for the 5 numbers, I want to print their sum. Okay, so you can tell that 5 numbers sum. This is very easy. How any class 1 student, class 5 student, class 10 student can tell how to do. Okay, I agree, but at that moment they will see with the syntax and the code logic how you go well. If you're fine, you're taking variables, you're writing the sum, you are following any language pattern, you're good. You don't need anything else. They will not ask very difficult things, because they want to take you. They want to take your basic knowledge, and they want to take you in the organization. What they have worked for, they will train you in that. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, that is a win-win situation for you if you have the basic knowledge and the logic.
একটা সফটওয়্যার কোম্পানিতে যখন কেউ জয়েন করে ডেভেলপিং কোডিং, ঠিক আছে, তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে মানে আমি যখন একটা কোম্পানিতে জয়েন করব, মানে তারা আমাকে আফটার ইন্টারভিউ আমাকে যখন তারা হায়ার করবে, তারাই কি আমাকে ঠিক করে দেবে মানে আমি কোন সেক্টরে আমি ঢুকবো না এরকম কিছু, যে মানে যারা বেটার রেজাল্ট করবে তাদের একটা টেস্টিং এ দেবে, তারপরে তাদের ডেভেলপিং এ দেবে, কোডিং এ দেবে, এরকম কোনো কি ব্যাপার আছে?
বাংলা কি সবাই বুঝতে পারে যে কজন আছে?
more or less okay. ঠিক আছে, বলো।
I can go for answer in English also, no problem. So let me answer in English if someone is not good with Bengali. See, where you will be placed in which domain or which sector, that is totally up to the company. That has nothing to do with your results, nothing to do with your grades, nothing to do with your scorecards. Okay, so if you are passing the interview, you are taken in the company. After that, you will have a training. Once you are done with the training, then you will have a test. If you pass the test, they will be having 60% or 70% passing mark in the test. If you pass the test, you are taken in the company. After that, when it comes to the project, you will be having business units. You will be divided into business units. So different business units having different projects. And also there are company internal projects. So whether it is development, whether it is testing, whether it is maintenance, there is nothing to do with you. You will be placed somewhere. You can be, see, I have started with Java, as I mentioned. I was trained in Java. Then they did not have any project for Java. So they put me into .NET. They made me learn .NET in 15 days. After that, they told me, okay, now we have something for performance testing, but we do not want to take anyone from the outside because it will be time consuming. So can you please work in performance testing? We will teach you how to do. Okay, I told. Never say no. If you say yes, you will learn something. If you say no, you will be put into a place where you will not learn anything. Okay, so say yes. Okay, I told okay, fine. I learned performance testing. They taught me. We called a very famous term that is called the KT, knowledge transfer. You will be having knowledge transfer for a 1 week or a two weeks. After that, I worked. The project was completed. I completed the work. I got some good chocolates from Sweden. That being a very young person, you have completed the work. The next week, I was called, and they told that okay, now this project have ended. What next? We have some vacancy in the team for SQL Server development. So, do you know SQL? Can you write some queries? Okay, if you are writing some queries, okay, go to the SQL doc. So see, I have done bit of development, bit of testing, and now I have to look after the maintenance part in our team. So everything you have to do. There is no division. You should learn everything, and you should go for everything. You will learn something or the other. Nothing to do with your scorecard or result.
Now, Didi, coming to your experience, what was your first day experience in the company? Was you a little bit nervous? You know how I can join them and how I can talk to them that I am a fresher here. What was your experience?
First day, so it was a very different journey for me because the first time I was placed in Pune. So for the first time I left my family in Kolkata, and I left for a different city, and that too I had to share room with some person. So I have all these things in mind, that everything was a first. So, first company, I have learned all the firsts. Of course, you will be little nervous, but there will be many people like you who will be joining from different parts of the country. So my batch in training, they had major people from Bengal, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh. So I saw different kind of people, and I talked to them. People from Delhi, people from major other cities, they came. They also told which college they come from. Remember one thing: each and everyone who are coming has studied something similar like you. So they are having something similar knowledge like you. Okay, and the company people, they will be kind to you because they know you are joining for the first time. So they will be having some basic formalities. They will be having your joining, opening account, and all these things. They will be telling about their policies, their leave policies, how we will get leaves, what are the policies for your insurance, like that they will cover. So that is the first day. Important is when the training starts, you have to be on time. You have to be very, very punctual. If you're giving a time of 8, and if you're reaching by 8:05 or 8:10, that gives a very bad impression. So you have to be punctual. You have to be disciplined, and all the dressing codes you have to follow. Things that is important is, see, you have to show the person in front of you that you're a gentleman or a gentlewoman. That is important. Okay, dressing sense is important. You cannot wear anything and go, okay, because people look up to you. People have the impression in their minds. So first impression is very important. So keep these things in mind. But that will come to a later stage. I can help you in that also. But now we can focus in the learning phase. So learning is the most important thing. And also, once I completed my project training in Pune, I was placed in Bangalore. Okay, I was given in Bangalore. There I went. I started staying in a PG and everything. After 2 months, they told me that we are not having any project in Bangalore, so you have to go to Mumbai. So please go Mumbai this day, reach Mumbai in this time, and you will be given some training. Then you can have interview. So you have to say yes. You will not have this thing in mind that Bangalore is good. Why should I leave Bangalore? Why should I go for Mumbai? Because at that point of time, saying yes is important. I have heard many people who have said a no and they have suffered the later stage. So yeah, you have to be like, okay, I'm fine. I can go anywhere. I can work. Anything is work. I'll be paid because I do work. Okay, nothing else is important. So you can go. Okay?
Didi, in many company, they said that in interview round, they asked us that why should they hire us? So why? তখন কি answer দেব?
Okay. Yes, that is an important question. Very interesting question as well. Why should they hire you? There are many other people. Why should they hire you? You can answer the question. You can have three divisions in your answer. One is what are the technical skills that you know, okay, that is available in you, which all areas you can work with readily. Okay. Next is you can say is you have this continuously learning attitude, that you will always keep on learning. If today is you are working in something, tomorrow something else comes to the company, very rapidly people required, you are okay to go, you can learn. Next is you do not have any issues with any community, any culture, any place, anywhere. Okay, you are free and you are open minded. So you will, if the company takes you, they will never face any issues related to you, maybe personally or professionally, be it your ability or be it your mentality. So that is the reason they should take you. They will be in a win position, they will be in a good position if they take you. They will not have any loss. That is the reason they should take you. Okay, Devangshi, did I
Yes,
answer your
thank
question?
you.
Yeah. So Vaishnavi, do you have anything to ask? Because Arko Jyoti talked, Devangshi, Madhurima asked questions, Shubhadeep also. Vaishnavi, do you have something that I can help you with? You can write as well if you're not asking. I can see the chats. Okay, Shiny has written something. Ma'am, I'm trying, but it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, Shiny. So, ma'am, what do you think about the session? Was it fine? Was it as expected?
I'm really listening to all of your words actually.
Thank you. The base is the base has become good, strong now, but it all started from your place and all started from Kolkata. So thankful to all of you.
Sure, sure.
It will to all the students who are joined. You do not worry now, because you don't think much. You should work. You should keep on focusing on studying, learning, and giving tests. Okay, have mock interview. All of you should, as many of Bengali native language, you should practice in English. You should have the ability to speak English, because all the companies, they are focusing on the interview. So you do not have to be very good, very fluent accent, but yes, the basic pronunciation you should be good with. Okay, you should not have the insecurity while speaking. The one thing I heard a lot in my starting time, that you are having a lot of mother tongue influence in your language. Okay, so please practice much more. Although I had a fine way to speak, but all the India, they are focusing a lot in the Bengalis, or maybe people from Bengal. So please work on it. Please practice a lot in front of the mirror, in front of someone else. Start speaking. Then only you will get away with the fear, and then only you will improve. Okay? So please talk a lot in English, and also be understandable with Hindi, because if you have the 90% chance is you will be placed out of Kolkata. So please be good with Hindi as well, and of course you should have the knowledge.
Ma'am, I have a
If you
question that,
yes,
ma'am, last day I have applied in Intershala for a web development internship, and I have got a mail from them, and so they want from me that how WordPress means, they know from me that WordPress. So, but I know WordPress but little bit. So, what should I do? That should I accept this letter or not?
they want you to work on WordPress.
WordPress, yeah.
Yeah, of course you should accept. You should go for it. There is no need to know 100% from the beginning. Okay, you can start working, then gradually you will learn. The resources are available online. Okay, if it is not available online, then you can go for the course. So there is no need to know the 100% from the beginning. You will learn gradually. So accept this thing,
Okay, ma'am.
because only if you accept, you will have the ability to learn. If you do not accept, you will never see WordPress, what is it. So
Shubhadeep is good for any programming language, and same as well for Orkojyoti too. Basically, they are taking help from you, and just ওরা তো এখন মানে junior, so ওরা
yes,
কি
yes.
তোমার কাছে জানতে চাইছে। তাই।
For us, it is very important to do upskilling now, because they are saying like they will need less people who are good with everything. They will keep them. So I'm learning Salesforce nowadays. So I have attended 3 days of training from Capgemini, and before that I have done 2 certifications, one in February, one in January, and one in March. One is the ITIL certification, that is very important for the service-based companies, infrastructure library. And another thing I have done is the scaled agile framework. So as you have the impression of this SDLC model, so some of the companies are started working in agile, that they will develop and they will test and they will go for the deployment. So I have done the certification. So you have to mentor yourself and you have to do. So because this is the year where I have done all this. Before that 2 years I did not do, because they were not required. Now it is required, so I'm doing. So for you, you should, I will suggest that you start from the beginning, so that you can be in a better position than I am today. Okay.
Is there anyone to ask any question?
Yes.
Sampurna, I think it will be better if you can share your contact information if there is no problem with them, so
Yes.
that they can contact you, because some of them may have some queries which they can't ask in front of us, I think. So it will be better if you can give the details to them so that they can contact you later.
Yes, sure. I'll share my contact. No issues. And I think conducting a session like this will be good for you. I can give time for sure, and you can consult with ma'am, and we can have a session as frequency is up to you, and at least till the time we are having lockdown. And also after the lockdown, I am having office hours from 11 to 8 Monday to Friday. Other than that, we can have a session on the weekends. And also, if you want, we can have more people, maybe from my batch.
Okay.
So
It will be better.
we can
It will
also
be very
help
good,
you.
I think. If
Yes.
That's a
some
good
of
idea.
some of your from your batch, because your batch was really very good batch. And do you remember your Grand Viva, all this kind of Grand Viva, Project Viva?
Yes, I remember everything, ma'am. I have each and every word in my mind, and
Can
I
you
will say
share it?
that.
Actually, they have not faced yet.
Okay. So
Due to
what happened, I
lockdown.
will tell you.
Hmm.
Okay. So the people who are in the call, I think many people are missing, so they can join the next time and can share again. So we had this project presentation, and there we were in the faculty room, and there was everyone was present. So I think my project has 7 people out of 20 people in our total class. So everyone opted for the training, same training as I attended. So we had same project. So I had divided the slides. I think we had 14 or 15 slides. So 2 slide per people. But what happened is they did not remember their own slide. So they went for some other slide. Okay, so they when they see the slide in the big screen, the presentation screen, they were like, "Ah, this is not my slide." But I said that I have mentioned you in the mail that this is your slide. So this led me to a very critical situation that people are not remembering their slide. So what I thought is, I was taught in college that it is very important if you are the starting of the presentation or if you are in the end of the presentation, because people remember the starting and the end. So I took a decision that okay, I'll end the presentation at least so that it looks good to sir and ma'am. So yes, that is important, and I remember the Grand Viva as well. So I was asked some very good questions in that Grand Viva. They were not much technical. They were much more on my preparation, on how I have prepared for the campusing and everything, whether I'm stable in mind or not. So you should have a stable mind, and you should have a very clear goal, what you want to do. If you want to work in IT, go for it. Start from any company. And what I would like to mention in this call is, I have lot of colleagues working with me. They're senior, also junior, many people. They have not come from any major city, not any major college, big universities, nothing like that. Many people are there who have come, who has just BSc in IT. Also, people from Kolkata, people from Bengal have a very thing like, oh, if I have done BSc, what should I do? If I have done, okay, BTech from this, what will I do? That is not at all important. They have worked, I have senior people from commerce background. They have learned programming, they have done some course for 6 months, and they have come to work in IT sector. They started their work with 2,000 rupees per month, 2,500, 3,000 rupees per month, and now their salary is something around 80 to 90,000 rupees a month. Okay, they are older than me. Obviously, they are older, but they had this thing in mind that I'll learn, I'll do. Okay, so do not think about your background. Do not think about what I have done in life.
Attitude is important. right?
It's very much
That it
important.
is important. Your adaptation of learning is important, right?
Yes, ma'am. Learning is very much important, and yes. There are people I am telling because they have worked in very small companies for 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 year. They have learned. Then they have got the chance, and yes, sure, you should start working. You should start learning. Do internships. You have already, you have the body who's taking your MCQs. You have the certification. So ma'am has mentioned. So have all of them. Try to have time for these things and go for it. Be serious at least for 5-6 months in learning. It will help you. It will help you a lot. I really regret that I have not given any exam after my campusing. I do regret a lot, because I once I was done with Capgemini, I got the offer letter. I got the letter of intent. I was like, okay, um, BTech.
Yeah, I don't need any more learning.
Mhm.
Something like that, right?
I just learned the things that I had to appear for exam, but nothing other than that. I just focus on pointing. Okay, I have 9 points. I have good points. But important is keep giving the exams. Like you will have uh, I think 3 or 4 things, man. They come for our college for the exams purpose only. Then you can apply to 3, 4, or 5 companies. CoCubes, one of them is CoCubes.
CoCubes,
CoCubes
yes,
exam.
CoCubes was there.
Yes, CoCubes exam. Yeah.
So you should go. If you are given opportunity from the college, that is fine. If you're not, please do it by yourself. Please appear for the exams. You will have greater opportunity.
Thank you very much, Purna. So, what I remember about yourself also, that Shampurna was our topper, was really a good student, obviously, and she was our class representative, you know. So, rest of our students from third year, I want to inform you that she was just a nice seer, actually. She always think about the students who cannot do anything in proper time also. There were some of the students, you know, that in every class there are students who don't do anything in proper time. So always Shampurna was there to help with that person. And even I remember, I don't want to take the name of that person, name of our student, because he is also our beloved student. So in final year project also, she also take that student into her group, so that so that he will be help, he will get help from her. That's why. So that nature, being a friend, is really good thing actually.
Teamwork
So
is
very
very
good.
important for all of you. Teamwork is very important.
So not only
Teamwork is
thinking
the
about just think about your friends also. It's really a good thing.
Yes.
So,
teamwork is the only thing that will help you to sustain, because
Yes,
no
yes.
project is given to you alone. You will have around 20, 25. I'm in a project which is having 150 people in it, and in my team there are 25 odd members. So you have to coordinate with 25 people. That is not a joke. That is very important. How you behave with them, how you have the mentality to work. If
Yes.
you're like, okay, given work to me, I'll do fine. But if you do not help a people in their problem, you will have the problem next time. No one will come to help you. Okay, so you will have something challenges. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
thank
And
you very
also,
much. Thank you so much for coming here,
yes,
and I hope in next many sessions we could expect you. So
yes, sure, ma'am.
okay,
And also,
continue.
ma'am, both the ma'am, TG ma'am and SK ma'am, you will always remember Akash. So
Yes.
Akash
Yes.
is the one who hardly studied the
Hardly
subjects in 4 years.
attended the classes.
Yeah.
But
Every semester he has no attendance.
You know, before lockdown, in second year class, I just talk about Akash Poddar. That I share with TG
Yes.
also, that in second, I told about Akash Poddar. So here nobody is from second year, yes, all are from third year. So
It would be better if you can.
before
be
lockdown
better.
classes.
It will be
Really
better if you
motivating.
can contact Akash also in the next meeting.
Yes, I will definitely try to contact him, because you will have a different kind of feeling when you interact
Yes.
with him. I remember one thing very well. We had this TCS training for 60 people who are having more 60 or above percent. So Akash was not appearing in the test, but
Yes.
he was in a different meeting. TGM was there in his class, okay, and there were some. The teacher asked to give some example to construct some sentence with negative words, but the sentence should not be negative. Okay, so if you are having a word like crime, you can say a sentence like
Computer is muted.
vanish from the world. So that kind of positive sentence you should be constructing. Akash was the only one in the class constructed 10 odd sentences with negative words, but all the sentences were positive.
Yes.
TG ma'am was highly impressed, and she said that if this is could have been more interesting. Akash worked so hard in the year that he got blessed with 3 come from the and he's really doing well today. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll contact him definitely, and I will ask him to come to the session. So if I can I will ask 2-3 more people, all
Okay.
the favorite students. If we can.
So you are maintaining your WhatsApp group right till now? You are maintaining your
Yes,
WhatsApp group?
yes, we wish people on their birthday. If we do not talk regularly, at least we wish everyone in the birthday.
Okay, okay. Can you please add my number?
We have
take
it. No, we have it, Suparna. I will add you.
Oh, actually,
because they have their own
okay,
group.
okay.
They
Fine,
have their
fine,
own
fine.
group. One teachers
Then,
group also
we
there.
will get
So I
in
will
touch with you.
add you.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay,
Sampurna.
I think
It
I
was
have
a
taken a
nice
lot
session.
of time.
No,
No,
it's
we have
okay.
enjoyed it.
We have enjoyed a lot.
Thank you.
Yes, thank
We
you
have
so much
enjoyed
for giving
Okay.
this opportunity.
Hmm.
Okay.
And I thank
And
you
third
in
year students will
joining.
also be get more beneficial for this session actually, because they are having at least 3 to 4 students who are there who are having lots of questions in their mind. So they are getting their answers. So I hope they will be happy with that
Okay,
your session.
yes, yes, and please ask your friends, everyone to join in the next session. I'll just share my again, and you can give it to other people about WhatsApp both.
Okay.
This is my number, and I'm giving my personal email ID as well. If a question set or any demo set, you can let me know. I'll try to arrange it for you. And actually, I wanted to come to college and talk to you in person. I have tried many times. I told TG ma'am that every time I go, either the college is closed or it is festival time, I hardly go. At least I go twice or thrice a year in Kolkata. So I did not get the opportunity, but next time I will try. And I'm available virtually.
Last
So
alumni beat also I also contacted with you, right? Remember those days? You tell me that no, you are not now in Kolkata, so that's why you can't come.
I am out of Kolkata ma'am for 3.5 years now. So I'll try this year, maybe not next. If not this year, next year I can try for going to Kolkata. I don't know. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you,
Arunavati, as
Shampuna.
well.
Mhm.
You have written. Best of luck to me, and thank you everyone who has joined. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Good night, everyone.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.